still here in the house, but I am now really ready to go. I was trapped in the rain. Yeah, now my rack is broken. And that one is not mine, so I'm not going to take it. This is just $15. We are now in the central station. Yo, good morning guys. It is now 9:14 and I'm going to check out by 10 o'clock. This is where I put my things and this is where I sleep. I didn't sleep here because there is a wind. There is air coming out from there. And my bike is downstairs. I just checked out from the hotel, but I leave the bike because I want to walk around first in the Chinatown. So single room and Glib is $250. Yeah, Glib is just on that side and walking distance to this city center. And if you notice that building, yeah, it's like a hanging garden, right? Yeah, really nice looking. We are now here in Chinatown, but here in Market City, but Paddy's Market is still closed. Actually open already. There is just a portion that is having the roll out still down. Roll up still down. Yeah, here in Chinatown in Paddy's Market there is a vegetable, Asian vegetable available. I mean everything that you see in the Southeast Asia, you will see it here. Because if you go to the Australian grocery, you're not going to see those vegetable, especially the leafy vegetable like kangkong or water spinach. Yeah, you don't see it. Some outlet here in Paddy's Market are still closed. Yeah, so in here they have different accessories for vlogging and yeah, for mobile phone and camera. There are new food outlets here in Haymarket, here in Paddy's Market. You see that? Yeah, but some are still not open yet. Yeah. And outside here, there is also new building. Yeah, these are new building. There are some restaurant on the ground floor. Yeah, George Street. There we go here. Yeah, that costs $11. Price and two choices basically. I'm seeing many food delivery that are using electric bike. And there's one there, and I just saw there's one going that side. Yeah, electric bike is really easy to use, especially for delivery purposes. Yeah, you know, sweating. We're just going to have a cup of coffee somewhere here. This is like a night. Yeah, it's a good street. Many food choices, but at the moment some are still closed. I had takeaway from here yesterday. Actually, there are more food outlets here. We're going to have a cup of coffee from this Max Brenner chocolate. Yeah, and this is how it is here. This is actually the one that I'm telling you, the like garden building. Yeah, this is it. It's nice in here. There are many plants and trees. Green. We'll be sitting down here. And this is what I'm going to have. Yeah, their cappuccino have this kind of chocolate and this chocolate. Okay, we are now here in the hotel again. I just pick up this bike. We are now going to the bus, or maybe take the train going to Nelson Bay. We are now here in the central station. The time now is 1:29, and I'm actually yeah, taking the chance. I'm going to ask the driver if he's going to let me, yeah, take a ride and then put this bike inside the luggage space. I believe this is just on the discretion of the driver. If he don't let me, then I will take the train from here all the way to Newcastle, and then find a way to get to Nelson Bay, maybe by Uber, or I ride it again, maybe. I'm not sure. If you remember last time when I did my bike packing to Brisbane, Gold Coast, yeah, they actually put my bike on the luggage storage area of the bus. Yeah, this Morris bus, this one is going to Canberra and some other regional area here in New South Wales. So we just get down from the bus. Erickson was there. He's actually the one who paid for my fare. Yeah, because I don't have cash. Yeah, so I send the money to his account. Yeah. And the bus driver, he said, "Oh, your address is just there." He knows. How come? And we are now back here in Nelson Bay. Yeah. So Erickson was actually in the bus together with the family. Yeah, they said they stay in Sydney for 2 days. They walk around. Nice. And Erickson actually paid for my fare because I don't have cash. Yeah, so nice. It was $56 because I also need to pay for the bike. Yeah, it's 40 something for one trip. Okay, just get home. Yeah, it feels like feels deep. Okay, we are home. So good to be back. Yeah, if you notice this one, yeah, I cut it because the other half I use as my like my bed, so that I don't feel the sand, the rocks, the stones, you know. It is now 5:40. I use most of the things that I brought except this. Yeah, a shirt, a towel, and this. Oh, I have one more extra underwear. The rest I use. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it's already almost 10 o'clock. Preparing my breakfast. This is just a tomato with garlic and shrimp paste. Maybe I am going to put egg or noodles. I don't know exactly. I don't have anything here. It is now 3 o'clock. I just put my laundry outside 30 minutes ago, and 30 minutes ago was sunny, really hot, and now it is like this. Looks like it is going to rain. I don't know. Yeah. Yo, it is now 4:30. It's still raining a little bit. Let's keep this open more. Yeah, and I'm cooking the rice. Actually, already cooked. And then I am going to eat this. This is a century tuna, bangos. Oh, this is how it is. Frozen veg. It looks good. Look at this. Oh, very hot. I still have this leftover egg from lunch. Mmm, delicious. Delicious.